Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to unsend Facebook messages. Let's start the video. Open the Messenger app on your smartphone. Locate the conversation containing the message you want to unsend. Press and hold the message you want to unsend. Select Remove. Choose Remove for everyone to unsend the message for all participants, or Remove for you to delete it only from your view. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.